So hello guys, and this is a gold trading session where we explore gold and we look at the opportunities that gold gives us when it comes to trading. All right, so for us to trade gold, there are some things we have to understand about gold, right? Number one is the fact that gold has a relationship with the dollar that is opposite, right? Which means that the dollar, gold has a negative correlation with the US dollar, right? So that's something to recognize, that's something to put in mind when trading gold, right? So it means that if there's a significant event happening in the dollar, it's likely to also have an impact on gold, right? Also, we know that one thing that affects gold is the fact that gold has a tendency to appreciate during times of economic difficulty. When there's a major event in the world, there's an attack by a Houthi rebel or by Hamas or by Russia or Ukraine and all of that, gold tends to be the beneficiary of that. Gold tends to appreciate, gold tends to buy, when any of those things happen, right? So those are some things to keep in mind when thinking about gold. Like what's the direction of gold likely to be? All of those things are some of the things you want to keep in mind, right? So in that case, first of all, we want to look at what's the dollar index doing. What is the dollar index doing? So right now, we are expecting a particular news event to happen. We're expecting the JOLTS job numbers by 4 p.m. This is in about 3 hours, maybe a little less than 3 hours. We're expecting two major news events from the US. We're expecting CB consumer confidence. Then we're expecting the JOLTS job opening. So the JOLTS job openings is much it's an economic event that is very significant. It's significant because it has to do with employment. It has to do with labor in the US, right? So it's definitely going to have an impact on the dollar, what these numbers turn out to be, right? So JOLTS means it's the number of job openings in the US that need people filling. So this is going to have an impact. Whatever this number was 8.79 million last month. Now it's 8.7 is projected to be at 8.73 million this month, right? So whatever this number is, when the actual comes out, it will have an effect on the market because it has to do with employment. It has to do with a whole lot of things that play into the proper functioning of the US economy, right? So that's going to be by 4 p.m. This is like 2 hours, maybe 2 hours and 15 minutes from now. That's something that we'll be looking at. And if we are looking at that, we are going to, and that's going to have an effect on the dollar. We need to be watchful when it comes to trading gold. We need to be watchful when it comes to trading gold, right? So now the bias I have on gold, which I would hold on for now before taking, I would like to see news events come out before I get into the trade. But my bias right now is that gold is going to buy, right? Now, I'm expecting the dollar index normally, my bias on the dollar index is that price is going to buy to this area before selling. But it's like price is stuck in this range here. Price is stuck in this range, no major movements yet. Price is stuck in this range. Price is stuck in this range, no major movements yet, but maybe by tomorrow when we have FOMC, price is likely to move up, to this area. But so far, we're not seeing that happen yet. So, so let's look at gold. What's gold doing? Now, we've seen gold has been playing around for some time. The movement on gold has been a bit it has been ranging for a bit of time. It has been ranging for a bit of time. So now, from what we can see here right now, we can see that gold is about to buy. It looks like it's about to buy. We've had a trend line that has run for how long now? This is run from late December It's run from late December up till now. And this trend line just got broken about yesterday. Normally, if this trend line wasn't broken, we'll be expecting gold to sell. The analysis we did over the weekend, we're expecting price to sell to somewhere around the 2002 level, support level. We're expecting price to sell to around the 2002 support level. Right? So now, but over the weekend, there was a particular news event that happened. Where a Houthi rebel, hits an oil vessel. So basically, anytime there's an event like that, there is like an attack or some kind of a volatile event happens, gold just responds positively. So you can see, look at this jump here, this gap. So gold just basically gapped up, took off and jumped up just because of that event that happened. Once the market opened this week, gold gapped up. And then it's been trying to push down. This has been a support level for a while. A resistance level for a while. This has been a resistance level for a while, right? So this has sort of been a resistance level for a while. It's been like trying to break it, came down several times. Now it kept going up. From what I can see, the trend line has already been broken. This trend line has been broken. And then earlier today when I did analysis, I gave out this trade. And this trade is what I expect price to do. I expect price to buy from where price currently is all the way to this top. It's over about 200 pips or something. That's what I'm expecting to do because I can see that this trend line has been broken. This trend line has been broken. Since this trend line has been broken, price is going to definitely come and retest that trend line, which is what it has done now. It has done it. Look at it here. Let's go to a lower time frame. So literally, price has come to this point to hit this buy. It retested the trend line, and currently I can see a buy happening. All right. So like I said, this trade was a trade I gave earlier today. This trade is still valid, but then this trade is not going to be a buy limit anymore. This is a trade that you want to take at this time. This is a trade you want to get into at this time. Just get on a buy trade on gold. I'm expecting this gold to move all up the way here over 200 pips. And then the stop loss is below this area here, right? So that's what I'm expecting to see on gold for the moment. That's what I'm expecting to see on gold at the moment, while I'm still looking at what is the dollar index likely to do. From tomorrow night, we are going to be seeing FOMC. Then from FOMC, we are going to be moving to NFP on Friday. So those are going to definitely be market moving events. They are definitely going to print new direction for the dollar. And once that direction is printed for the dollar, we will definitely see that affected in instruments like gold, right? So but for now, what I'm seeing at this time is a buy on gold from this area where gold currently is at. I expect gold to buy all the way to this bottom, to this top here. So, and these parameters I said earlier today are still valid. Entry price is at $2,035. Stop loss is at $2,029 and take profits at $2,056. But this trade was a buy limit at that time. So it's already triggered for those who entered, for those who saw this video and took it. They've already entered the trade. But for you now at this time, you might just want to get on the trade, get on the trade on a buy right now, buy at current market price, and I'm expecting the price to go all the way there. Now, price doesn't have to go all the way there at once. It will go in cycles, so make sure to secure your profit when you are in profit, or make sure to close your trade when you are satisfied with your profit. It's up to you really what you will do. You take your profit and you are good, okay? So under this video, guys, there are going to be two links. There are going to be a link to sign up to join us in our live trading sessions on Vantage Markets, platform, right? So join us. You click on the link there, you create an account, and you are able to join our trading sessions where this kind of trades happen, and where we're able to analyze the market together and get on very profitable trades. Okay. Also, we have a group. We have a a Telegram channel where we give out trade signals every day, trainings, and all kinds of tools to help you, to help enable your trading and make you better and more efficient, more profitable, basically, in your trading. All right. So click the link below this video. There are going to be those two links below this video. Click the links, join us and start trading live with us, and also join our Telegram group, you know, so that you can benefit from all the resources that we drop in our Telegram group every day. Trades, live trades, trading sessions, trainings, you know, signals. Every day we do all that. Okay. So thank you guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.